Okay, for class today, we are going to learn about the law of arithmetic operations in the addition and subtraction of matrices. This task, I already asked you to finish it before we discuss. Okay, so in this mind mobilization one, you need to know three different laws that involve addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, so the question given is the question already given the matrices A, B, C and matrix O. Okay, so in A, question A is about commutative law. Okay, what is commutative law? Alright, and then B is distributive law, C is associative law. Okay, and last one is about addition and subtraction of zero matrix. Okay, first we go to commutative law. Commutative law, we check your answer together. Right. So after you calculate, we get the answer for this one is negative 2, 10, 11, and 19. Okay, on the right side, negative 2, 10, 11, and 19. Okay, for subtraction, your answer should be, check your answer together. Okay, now we will discuss about commutative law. So as you can see here, for addition, the answer is the same for left hand side and right hand side. Means that when we change the place for B, the answer is still the same. For subtraction, when you change the place of B, the answer is not the same. Okay? So what we can say is addition is obey. Addition is obey the commutative law. Subtraction do not obey commutative law. Okay, why? Because when you change the B, matrix B, the answer is not the same. Okay, so commutative law is about different places. Whether you plus B or B plus A, you still get the same answer. Okay, now we go to distributive law. Your answer should be for left hand side. Your final answer is this one. Your right hand side. For subtraction, okay, as you can see here, our answer shows that for addition, when we calculate for the left hand side, the answer is the same. Okay. For subtraction, the answer also the same. Okay. So we can say that addition and subtraction both are obey the law of distribution law, okay, addition and subtraction. Okay. Law of a distributive law. Okay, so what is distributive law? Here you can see that we distribute the H to A and B. We distribute the H. So from subtraction also we distribute the H. So that is distributive law. Okay, so this one we don't distribute the H but we plus and minus inside the bracket first. This on your right hand side we distribute the H. Okay, so this is distributive law. So we can see that addition and subtraction both get the same answer, and we can say it obeys the distributive law. Okay, associative law. Now we go to associative law. Your final answer is this one for left hand side, this one for right hand side. Okay, for subtraction, let's check together. Okay, for associative law, for addition, we get the same answer. While for subtraction, not the same answer. Okay, so the addition is obey the law, the associative law. Means that associative is we gather different matrix in a bracket. So on your left hand side, we put A and B together, while your right hand side we put B and C together. Okay, either one we do, we still get the same answer. That is associative law. Tapi subtraction you cannot do like that. Okay, you cannot do like that, and we will get different answers. So we can say that addition obey associative law, while subtraction do not obey the associative law. Okay, last one. Here we have addition and subtraction of zero matrix. So this O matrix we call as zero matrix. Why? Because all of the elements inside the matrix is zero. Okay. So this one, given O, matrix O is a 2 by 2 order. Okay. So matrix, zero matrix also can be any order. 10 by 10, any order, 2 by 1, or 3 by 3, 5 by 6, any order. Okay, and you have to remember all the elements inside the zero matrix is 0. Okay, so what happens if A plus O? O is zero matrix. So your answer is the same, right? You get the same answer as A. The final answer is 3, 7, 6, 11. This is A. Okay. So when you subtract with zero matrix, you will also get the same answer. Maksudnya kita akan dapat A balik. Okay. So means that any matrix plus or subtract with zero matrix will get the matrix back. Okay. So this is the law that you need to know, and also the zero matrix. Okay, finish. So make sure you check and you remember and you recognize this law. Okay. So this law we apply in different questions, and for self practice 2.2b we have two questions regarding about the content for this one. Okay, so try to do number 3 and number 4. It's just a simple question. Alright, send the answer to Telegram. Alright, now we go to the next one. How to multiply two matrices. Okay, you already know about the addition and subtraction. Now we focus on multiplication. Alright, for multiply, first step you have to check the order of the matrix. Okay, remember, make sure you check the order of the matrix. Why? Because we need to make sure that the order is the same. Where is the same? Here, take a look at example 15. Okay, so we have matrix C and matrix D. Okay, matrix C is a 2 by 1. The order is 2 by 1 here. Okay, matrix C is 2 by 1. Matrix D is 2 by 2. Okay, so when we need to multiply C and D, make sure the second order, the second number is the same. Okay, so this C is 2 by 1, this D is 2 by 2. 1 and 2 here is not the same. When not the same, the column in matrix is not the same. Okay, 1 and 2 is the column. The column of the matrix is not the same. So we cannot perform the multiplication. Okay, if the same matrix, but now we multiply D first. D multiplies C. Okay, so check the order first. Okay, the order is 2 by 2 and 2 by 1. Okay, the column here, the second number and the first row for C is the same. Okay, when it is the same, we can perform the multiplication. This is how you check the order. Okay, first one. Okay, so uh, now we go on another note. When you multiply this matrix, so this one cannot be performed. This one cannot. This one can, because the number on the second order is the same. Okay, so when you multiply B and C, you will get the answer. It will be in the order of 2 times 1. Okay, 2 times 1 is here. We got constant. Okay, so your answer should be 2 times 1. If you get other order, means that your answer is wrong. Okay, so that's how you check. First check the order and then the answer. This is how you check your answer. So your answer should be 2 by 1. Okay, so if you have E, for example, E is 2 by 3, F is 3 by 4. Okay, first we check here. Okay, we check here. So they have the same number, so the multiplication can be performed. Okay, so your answer should be in a matrix of the order 2, 4. Okay, your answer should be 2 by 4, like that. Okay, alright. Now we go to example 16 here. How you multiply. Okay, so given that matrix A is given matrix A and matrix B. Now we need to calculate A multiplied by B. So here is 2 by 2. This one is 2 by 2. Okay, so this number is the same. So your final answer should be 2 by 2. Okay, here. Right? So how to multiply? So you write down A, B equal to, this one is A, this one is B. Okay, so how you write your answer is, first take a look at the red arrow. Okay, 2 and 6. 2 and 6, we multiply 2 and 6. And then 3 and negative 2, we plus this one is your first answer, your first solution lah. Okay, for row 1, column 1. Okay, so how to write in the other row? Okay, the other row, this one, your red arrow here is showing your answer here. Okay, I use the color, blue color. 2, look at here, okay? 2 and negative 7. 2 and negative 7, you multiply. 3 and 1, you plus. 3 and 1. 3 and 1 multiply, but we plus with 2 and negative 7. Okay? So now next, I use different color. So now we take a look here. Okay. Okay, next row and column. Here, 1 and 6. 1 and 6, we write down here. 1 multiply 6. Okay, plus 5 and negative 2. 5 and negative 2. Okay, yeah. Alright, we write down here. Okay. Next color, I use different color. Okay, this one. This one, take a look at the arrow. 1 and negative 7. 1 and negative 7 multiply. Plus 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Okay? That's how you write your answer. First step. First step. Okay? This is your first step. Here, I just want you to look at the order, how to multiply. Okay? Step by step. Okay? So your answer is here. Alright. So next step is you solve the answer. You're right. You calculate everything here. Okay. So you have 12 minus 6. 6 minus 10. Negative 14 plus 3. Negative 7 plus 8. So your answer is negative 6, negative 4. Sorry, negative 6, negative 4, negative 11, and negative 3. This is your final answer. Okay, that's how you multiply. Okay, alright. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. We have example 18. Okay, example 18. Given matrix K and matrix L. Matrix K and matrix L. Okay. In this example, A is L square. What is L square? So you need to know that is L and L. You said L multiplied by L. So you do just the same as what I told just now. Okay, write down the matrix and then you this one negative 4 and negative 4 multiply, we got 60, and then plus with 2 multiply with 0. So we got 0. Okay, so the answer is 60. Okay. And then we have negative 4 multiplied by 2, negative 8. And then 2 multiplied by 1, we have positive 2. Tambah 2. Okay. And then we have negative 6. Right. And then 0 multiplied by negative 4 is 0. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. So your answer is 0. The last one, 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. This your answer is 1. Okay, that's how you write down your answer. Okay, this is for L squared. And then the next question gives you K L squared. Okay, so this answer, you just write down straightly to here. Okay, tak perlu repeat lagi the process. So, ambil je jawapan tu. Okay, and then you multiply by 2. The same process and answer. Okay, last one is L cube. L cube here. L cube means that you have to know that it is L squared multiplied by L. So why we write down L squared? Because we already have the answer here. So we use this answer straightly to here. And then we only multiply by another L only. Okay, so tak perlu repeat the process again. Use the answer here only. Then write down your answer. Okay, alright. So that's how you multiply a matrix. That's how you multiply two matrices. Okay, so continue the homework at page. Okay, later I give you the questions that you need to solve. Okay, alright, that's all. Thank you.